friends, welcome to my channel. We accumulate a variety of experiences over the course of our lives. Our natural tendency is to evaluate and simply reflect on what has happened and what we have learned. This inward view of what we can no longer see with our eyes enables us to see through them with our soul. Through our soul's inner visions, the landscape of the soul creates movement and a synchronistic pattern between our heart and mind. When the heart and imagination work together to look back or forward, we gain a better understanding of who we are. Our soul is the deepening of who we truly are. Our hearts will not rest until we rest in the "It has been said." This is our life's journey. It is time for us to return home. The journey into the spatial quality of existence is what brought us here. It is the path that we are taking in this life, and it is the journey back to the beginning. One could argue that children and the elderly have more soul than body. We begin to believe we are someone as our personality and ego develop. We spend a lot of time learning to be independent of infancy, only to lose it again when we die. It's the path from innocence to grace. The journey of human expression is fraught with ups and downs. The landscape of the soul is what keeps us on track and often sane in an insane world. Even though all aspects of the self must be scrutinized and unconditionally loved, there is something within us that is perfecting our true nature. Our authentic self understands that we are both growing and simply going through life. This delicate balance between these two natural forces allows us to stay on track. It is the path to discovering who we are through our life's various experiences and expression. As a result, we learn to trust our soul and look to it for guidance when we don't have it elsewhere in life.